Welcome to TradeHappy, a platform for traders around the world to be happy and consistently profitable. Today, we're going to be going over round numbers and the importance of trading around them. So, just got Euro AUD up on the 4-hour chart and plotted the round numbers using round numbers indicator. Super easy to set up on TradingView. So, basically going to be having a quick video about how to trade round numbers, what I do when I'm trading round numbers, and how you can incorporate it into your own trading. So if we have a look at the top of this bit here, you can see we've had quite a few touches. So we'll count that as one view, and then one there. And basically just going through and plotting all the different touches around the round number. Obviously it's not going to be exact, but we'll get onto that a bit later. And when you come down here, you've obviously got the ones touching, so nothing here. There's one here, but that's obviously going down again. And that's it. So once we plot all of those onto the chart, you can see, especially this one here, this round number here, it has a lot of touches on. Now when I'm trading round numbers, normally I'll take a 30 pip stop loss. So if you put your limit order in here, put a 30 pip stop loss, because I would normally expect the market to move 20 pips or a maximum of 30 pips higher or lower than the round number. So if we just measure it here, you can see that is 23 pips. So your stop loss would be up here, which is safe. So you've got the same here and obviously same here. So even though you are getting some loss, some unrealized loss, it's not actually hitting the stop loss yet because you've got 30 pips leeway. So normally I look for 30 pips on either direction, but the market can move 20 pips if that makes sense. So right here we've got, so let's say you got short here and it came through down here, I would expect the market to at least go to 20 pips, which it does. So right there is 20 pips above this round number. And if we got down to this round number here, I'd expect it to go 20 pips below. So there. And that's basically what I look for. So obviously you've got some more here, which is 13 pips, 12 pips, 15 pips, and but that's all around this one and this round number. So how can you put this into your trading? So if we just get rid of all those, just add round numbers to your trading with your current strategy. If you're building a strategy or if you have one already that's not quite as profitable as you want it to be, add round numbers and just see what happens. So let's say you get a signal here for a sell. So let's say you got a signal here for a sell. Instead of putting the sell signal or entering the market right here, just put a limit order here. So you're waiting for the market to come up. Instead of getting short here, you get short here, and you have your 30 pip stop loss. And then you just put your take profit at wherever you would normally put your take profit, and that would be your trade. So instead of getting in down here and possibly even just getting tagged out of the market depending on the brokerage, you would get in a much safer place at the round number and you would have a better entry. But what you could also do is go 20 pips above. So if we go 20 pips above, you would obviously miss that trade, but the point is that you're... So if, let's say you got in here, okay, so you get in here and you did that over a period of 100 trades. You would get into a lot more trades than if you went 20 pips above the round number, obviously. But the percentage of you winning the trades might change. You might get a lot more losses if you entered here than if you entered up here. So put the round numbers into your trading strategy and just see what happens, see if it's more profitable. If it's not, obviously you haven't lost anything, you can just take it off and go back to your real or demo account, whatever you're trading. But just test it, just see what happens and test it. I use it in my own trading and it's really good. Obviously you can get pinpoint bounces off of these, like this here, and also you've got another one here, and you've got another one here, but you know that normally doesn't happen all the time. You'll normally get a bit of a wick coming through, like this, and like this, and like this. So obviously, see what happens when you put it into your own trading, and yeah, comment below what happens, let me know if you are profitable with it. If you enjoyed the video, remember to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next one.